Very good morning, friends. So today we'll discuss about construction of bar chart and pie chart. Let us see what is bar chart and what is pie chart and how to construct a bar chart and pie chart for a given data set. So bar chart is also known as a bar graph. See, bar graph is generally used to compare the different categories using horizontal as well as vertical bars is known as bar graph or bar chart. Is a chart that uses either horizontal or vertical bars to show the comparisons among the categories. In this example, let us see this example is given apples and bananas. So with two different colors. So in the year of 2011, 2012, 2013 is a one category. And what will be the profit rate in terms of percentage is given along y-axis and x-axis shows particular year. So what will be the comparison with respect to these two categories? So that's a good example for a bar chart. Let us see practically how to construct this bar graph. So in practically, let us I will take a simple example. So how to construct the bar chart. See, this is the data. So this is the expenditures. For a food, we are spending 5,000 rupees. For clothing, 2,000 rupees. And for rent, 10,000 rupees. And education, 6,000. Hospital, 3,000. And others, 2,000. This is the expenditure per month. So let us see how to construct these items or these expenditures using a bar chart. Now, I have data. I have data or data sets. So select the complete data. Select the complete data and go to insert. So I'm doing an Excel sheet. Go to insert and here we have a bar chart. Look here, we have a bar 2D or 3D. So better you go with 2D. Just click on this 2D after selecting the data. So you will get the bar chart. You will get the bar chart. Now, how do you modify these data? If you want to modify or if you want to add some title or x-axis and y-axis, all information, so there will be a possibilities. Just look at these possibilities. If you click any options, either say I will choose this option. If you choose this option, you will get the bar chart in this fashion. Or if you choose some other options like suppose if you choose these options, you will get the bar chart like this. One you can add the title. Say title is bar chart or let us take bar graph. So it's a bar chart. So you can add the title for the bar chart. So like that you can edit. You can include the title. You can include axis. Or let us see some other examples. So let us see this case. In this case, you see here axis. You can include the axis. You can edit the axis. That's the one possibility is available. And look at some other examples. Let us see these examples. You can include axis, x-axis and y-axis. Just click on axis title and edit whatever you want. So I'll edit some. I'll give some. Let us take this the items. This is the items. Items along x-axis and y-axis. You can include expenditure. So it's a bar chart. So it will. It's a graphical representation of different categories, or we can compare the datas graphically with the help of horizontal or vertical lines. Even you can change the color of the bar charts. Here I am changing the color of the bar chart, so you can design whatever you can design in different fashions with the help of these design. Go to design and change the design if you want. So this is about bar chart. Now let us see what is pie chart. How to construct the pie chart. So pie chart is also known as circular graph. Circular graph or pie chart. So what is pie chart? How to construct and what is the difference between bar chart and pie chart? This is a typical examples I'm showing for a pie chart. So pie chart is a circular chart which is divided into sectors in which the area of each sector represent the size of the data. Look at the in a circular illustration, look at the different division. This is one kind of division, this is another division, this is another division. So like that we can divide into different sectors as per the given data. It's also known as circular graph It's also known as circular graph. Now let us see how to construct this pie chart. So I'll go to Excel sheet. I'll open the Excel sheet. This is a bar chart. I'll delete, just select this one and I'm deleting this one. So how to construct the pie chart for the same given data. So first select the data. I'm selecting the data. Go to insert, and go to pie chart. Just see here, we can construct so many charts. So for yours, I'm explaining pie chart as well as bar chart. Go to pie chart. So we have a 3D is also we can show in 3D. We can show in 2D also. Let us learn how to show these categories in 2D pie chart. Just select this one. After selecting the data, just see this. And if you want, you can design for the as per our requirements. Say if you want, I will design like this. You can include the chart title. Say chart title is pie chart. Let us take it as a pie chart. Pie chart, and we are dividing the all items in a circular manner in terms of percentage. Or if you want, you can just see the other designs. Just see this design. I'll design like this: food, clothing. The each individually shows the food belongs to 18%, clothing 7%, rent, education, hospital, others, representing in a circular manner. And see some other designs. So this is one design, or we can go with this design. So we can select different categories or different designs. So like that you can construct the pie chart, and even you can construct with the help of 3D also. Let us see how to construct a pie chart using 3D pie chart. Select the data, go to insert, go to pie, and go to 3D. See here 3D, I'm selecting 3D, and select the required format. So I need in this format. Enter the title, add the title, whatever you want. You can add the title. It's a pie chart. It's a pie chart. So like that you can you can draw the pie chart in 3D. Or if you want some other designs, we can pick different designs. This one kind of designs it's available. Or you can pick this kind of design. Or you can pick some other design like this. So this is the pie chart. This is the pie chart. Or else even you can design like this. Design like this. You can change the style, chart style. So like that you can design. This is about pie chart. And similarly, how to construct 3D bar chart. Just select this data, and go to insert. We have a 3D. Just look at the 3D. Just go to 3D. You will see the 3D bar chart. And if you want, you can select in a different format. I need in this format. You can take this one, or I need in this format. Just select this one. And if you want to add title, you can add the title, no issue. Or I want in this format, include x-axis also along with the title. Or I need in this format. So like that, we need to construct the bar chart as well as pie chart just to compare the data. I'm showing these data in a vertical manner. I'm showing all these data items, or you can say food, clothing, rent, education, hospital, others. I'm showing in a vertical manner, either in 2D or 3D. So that is a bar chart. Pie chart means I'm showing these data. I'm representing these data in a circular manner. Let us see, in a circular manner, I am representing these data. Like food, clothing, what is the percentage of food, what is the percentage of clothing, all information I am showing in a circular manner. So that is pie chart. So with this I'll conclude bar chart and pie chart. If you like my video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you, and thank you so much.